You might have thought at one point of time that is it really possible to get my glorious hair back? Or maybe, can I increase the hair thickness and hair density? My friend, you're at the right place, because Hair.Dudes has brought you such a secret that would bring back those luscious locks of yours. Well, dermarollers are small handheld devices that have rows of tiny needles that are used to create micro-injuries on the skin. These are called as microneedles, and these micro-injuries stimulate the production of collagen and elastin, which can help regrow the hair in the bald spots as well. One study published in the International Journal of Trichology found that using a dermaroller along with a topical stimulant such as minoxidil solution, which is a medication used to treat hair loss, was more effective than using the minoxidil solution alone. A dermaroller causes tiny punctures on your scalp skin, which activates and regenerates hair cells. Science says that a dermaroller, a form of microneedling, is an effective treatment for hair loss. It boosts collagen production in your scalp, which results in stronger and thicker hair. It causes micro-injuries which creates tiny pores in the areas with hairs with less hair density. These injuries signals the brain to begin the healing process. This sends blood flow and collagen to the area. This increases the blood circulation and floods the hair follicles with more and more of nutrients. Moreover, collagen is a naturally occurring protein that is found in abundance in our body. It makes up a huge part of our skin, nails and hair. It is the building block of the hair and it surrounds each and every strand of it. The substance that gives our hair its structure and quality comes from collagen. So the two most important aspects to have thicker and fuller hair is achieved by the help of this small tool. Furthermore, since it causes these pores, the rate of absorption of hair products increases by 150%. It means whether you shampoo, condition, apply serums or hair masks, every product would be greatly effective on your scalp and hair. This is why you should apply topical stimulants after 24 hours of dermarolling to demolish hair loss and regrow your hair at maximum speed. Pros: it's affordable, it can be used at home by yourself because it's easy to use. It results in increased hair density and hair thickness. It tackles hair loss effectively. Its cons: it might cause redness and irritation sometimes, or initially at least. It can cause pain and even bleeding sometimes. It might need special attention with hygiene. It is time consuming, and honestly, you can't see the back of your head while dermarolling on yourself alone. Now that you have this wonderful secret at your disposal, you would be ready, almost ready to start your hair growth journey, because there are just a few more things you need to know about this tool. So stay tuned to get to know more about your hair journey to have amazing hair. And for that, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. And also click on the bell icon to stay updated with more and more hair hacks like this.